Gamers here. Today we are going to do Granny Chapter 2. So guys, this is our first
ever
video which we are doing. Guys, we are kids who are only
11 years.
11 years old. So we are going to only play easy mode, not both. We'll do it after some time.
After getting some use.
Yeah. So no extra locks, no dark version. I know I can do normal mode, but I don't want to do it.
So let's start.
Okay, let's go. Be quiet, Granny. Here's okay. I know, we know these things.
So let's begin.
Yep. So guys, we are here playing Granny.
Let's begin.
Wait, guys, just one second. We are here doing.
Don't mind if I do. Now
So I know how to troll Granny. Yeah, I found a door lock. I know how to.
which we are not going to use.
I think we are going to use. So Granny can't come. She can't come. Grandpa left her. Feels so sad. Granny's angry on me. Let's see if something's anything here.
No.
Nothing. Last time I found a crowbar and a glass fuse.
Dash use a sort of.
Now she'll come here and I'll die.
No way. She's nothing but.
Oh no.
No. Nothing but.
So I found glass fuse here. And I'm going. Now she's going to run like a mad dog.
Like a rainbow.
And then
She's in the left. I was just kidding. She came in like a rainbow.
that's how I troll Granny. So I know where stun gun will be here once. I've many times I found it. If it's
Don't
in here-
mind if I do.
No.
See, it's not there.
Security key.
Security key.
Yes. Grandpa's stuff to from Oh yes, told you guys.
Don't mind if I do.
Granny's house.
Granny's house. Granny
Come
house.
here, you.
Little punk.
No. Don't use. See, Granny won't come. She's too slow. I have to do normal mode next time.
So let's start.
We started. Now Granny's
Hello,
coming.
Granny.
Let's-
Say ho.
See, she can't see me.
Granny's
Blind
house.
She's blind. Look at her. She's shaking a lot. Okay, we got 2 minutes. That's a lot.
Of time.
Don't fall.
Now
Right.
let's go to security key, then go to the washroom. Go. There must be a weapon key or he key.
Today we're going to do helicopter escape against Granny.
As we knew, helicopter key will be there. और मुझे
I'm going to throw all these things here so I can.
and weapon key.
Nope. Helicopter
Yeah,
man.
at least now we can drive.
Next video we're just going. Yeah, wait, guys. Found something. I'm going to throw all these things for here so that at the last.
Go from there now, easier.
I don't know. I don't want to do because it's hard. Because it's very easy. Yeah.
Check in the bathroom this thing.
Wait. I'm going to do it. Get up the stairs. No, I can't. It's impossible.
Possible is impossible. No, God, please.
Now Granny's gonna come. Right?
And now we're never gonna
So
stop.
I'm gonna take stun gun. 2 minutes a lot, right? Granny won't come by now.
Yeah, she won't come. Wait a second.
If she comes up, I'm gonna freak out. FBI, open it. No. Just check everything. I got meat. I don't need it. Duct tape. Yeah, I need duct tape.
Not now, but.
Yeah,
after it's a long time.
I'll take it.
Not now.
It's fine. I'm
You're
not
mad.
scared. I'm not scared. I'm noob. Let's hear some song and go.
Granny's house, I don't wanna stay. I don't wanna go. I don't wanna stay. Granny's house, she's screaming me out. I don't wanna.
Where is it?
No, it fell down. Cause it rained like a rainbow. And she went like,
Granny's not here.
oh my God. What if she comes?
Let's distract her. Yeah, she's not here. So she'll come here and... Why are you acting crazy?
It's after Ramadan.
Now she's gonna come. Oh, she told. Now she's gonna look at me, my face.
My beautiful face.
She's too ugly, I can't see her.
I wanna stay.
I like that song. Whoever made it, FGTV, right?
FGTV.
₹2 के लिए टीवी है.
मुझे पता है.
She's gonna stay here.
संस्कृति.
So she's blind, right? But I don't even fall. She's gonna come like, I'm here for you. And then I die. Can I go out? No. Yep.
And she's there. And she was there. She put in a bear trap.
Yeah. Now what I need to do is run fast here.
And take the...
Yeah, I'm back here again. Throwing this thing out.
It's been
Is
so
there
long.
something here?
No.
So I need one more piece, right? Yes. Boom, you're dead, bro. Can you fall down? I'm throwing my here and running as fast as I can. Don't say it's here. Shit. Oh God, I have to take the... Is there anything?
Did you shoot her?
Yeah, 2 minutes. No, it's not here.
Yeah, it...
Come on. I need a wrench.
I know.
Yes, found it. Now I have to take until she respawns again. I have to take as fast as I can. Take that paint thing or grandpa's picture and come running back to the stun gun. My plan. And after shooting her again, then take the gas fuel and come back. My plan is easy. Shumesh, can you come and... Hey, guys, I just want to show you something. That with... Shumesh, come here. See, guys, I had to say you something that we can go to the helicopter place without using a glass fuse. I just saw it. It's not any mod.
What?
Yep. Go check it out in VV's channel, I think. Yeah. So after run as fast as I can, she's gonna come and hit me on my back, and I'm doomed, right?
Nope.
Yep.
She's not there.
So I have to get the gas fuel.
Which is in the
No room.
room.
Now if I go up, she's gonna hit me with a bat. So I'll stay here,
Baseball bat.
which sucks. I can buy it too, right?
Yeah.
Anyone can buy. I can bring a bat, take the metal one and hit her on the
Yeah,
face. She has a teeth, right? That is also gone. Every time, like that. I wonder if mosquitoes go inside also. If
Not
it goes,
just mosquito, bees also go. Even housefly go. Even grandpa went, that's why only he's missing.
I know. Grandpa missing. Poster is here or what? No, it's not here. Granny's house, I don't wanna fart. It's Granny's house. I don't wanna poop. I don't wanna do it because it's bloody. So I don't like bloody things. I'm not violent kid, just a good kid, right?
Yeah, as you said.
So I have to run fast here
And put the pictures.
and put the picture. Shumesh
He's a
is
very
right.
good boy.
Shumesh is right, not good boy. I know you're not good boy, right, Shumesh?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'll just see. Without using the glass fuse, can we go on up? Whatever it is.
What is on that, what do you say? What do you get in the, what do you say? That Uncle Ji, Dadaji's room?
You'll see, bro.
I know, not that.
I've done it more than 15 times at least.
I know, don't eat.
With both Granny and Grandpa, Oh, I bought very bad case here now. Weapon key might
Should
be
be
here.
there.
What? No!
God.
I can't open it until I get.
Take
My new channel. Sorry, challenge is
To
get the.
weapon.
So I didn't.
Find Gran. It's over there, I guess.
Found the stun gun for a heart. Not
Not
scared
scared
of the dark. Never seen a licks. Cutting pliers.
What? Cutting pliers, who need it?
Yeah, I can take cutting pliers.
What?
Let's go up, let's go up, let's go up. Let's go up and go. Like no one is late here and no here. If I'm missing, I'm dead. I'm dead.
Surely.
Then I have to take it there.
Cutting pliers. First need to wait for Grandy.
Grandy's house.
Grandmom's house.
Grandy's house.
Grandy's house.
I don't wanna stay. I don't wanna
Grandy,
do it.
grandpas, granddads, grandmummies, grandfathers, grandkiddies.
Run.
Dun, 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 dun,
See how slow is he going. If I could have been, I could have run as
fast as and
run. No. Run.
they say, oh my God, I see the way you shine.
I see you again. Okay, no, you don't need to speak for now.
Right?
We need to speak. No, we don't need to speak. Door handle. Seriously. My hard work wasted. Ta-na-na-na.
Only
Ta-na-na-na. 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 Ta-na-na-na.
Granny, you better run. Dun, dun, dun,
Or you
dun,
gonna
dun,
die.
dun, 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 dun.
Let's see if something is here. Look.
Nope.
Oh my God. Where'd it go? Let's try. I'm just kidding. I didn't throw it. Where should I go? Granny house. I wanna stay. Security key is useless. So I will throw it here. No, it won't work. Let's throw it somewhere there. Where is the grenade? Then Granny's gonna come running. What the hell? What? No, God. Please, no. 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 Come. Granny's look in my face. Granny, you can take this. No. Please blast and kill her. You deserve it. You deserve it, you old. It's safe, kid. Might be safe. Run. No.
Check out
No. Run. No.
Spark plug, I hate you. It's not there.
Oh, I have to kill the spider baby. That's the only option I have. Run. Then after spider baby died, Granny become, and then duck comes.
And some weird sounds come.
If I find crowbar also, it's fine.
Where?
Because then, hi you. Boom. Now cry. Now see, it goes inside. Oh, it doesn't go.
Look up at the sky.
I found a crowbar.
See, show the people, Slenderina.
Slenderina, I killed your son. Bye.
No, you killed Slenderina.
No, I have to run.
Son.
That's why I said Slenderina's son. I apologized. Please, I need to find weapon key. Please.
Yes.
Yes.
Oh boy.
Now see, Granny's gonna come.
As expected with red eye.
No red eye.
Yes, red eye.
No red eye.
Yeah, red eye.
No. Yeah. If she's alive, then if she hears or sees like he died, then she'll be like, you're gonna die. I'm like, okay. You're gonna die. I have to run.
I'm gonna die. She's sad.
Grandpa left. Granny can't stay. She wants to die, so she is coming here. See, Granny's gonna come. She like,
As not expected.
Woody. I see you. I see you. Grandpa's here. Hey, your wife's gonna die.
I see you. But you don't see me because I'm already seen.
You. I see you, Granny. Where
Do
are
you
you?
wanna play hide and seek?
Yep, she's playing. So I am. Oh, here she comes. Here she comes.
Up.
And boom, boom.
So, until now, she's dead for 2 minutes.
Please move. That's
Daddy.
Oh, I went on it.
That's how you become a boy.
I am the one, he's the one, he's the one. I am the one, he's the one, he's the one.
The who need to gun.
Hey, bro.
What? How did we land and come until here?
We just talked. What the? Oh, both are going together. Boom. And it's gonna come. And I don't have shotgun. Yeah, guys, I'll show you if it works. Because I've seen in some channel. So, come. Then come first. You guys saw it. I went past just through it. If you can just go 10 seconds back and see it again. I went in that.
Come on. You don't need spark plug.
No, you don't need glass views.
Yeah.
Be smart. I don't want to stay.
As expected, Dash escaped without me playing.
Without getting tech. Like,
One day.
like without dying.
Losing one day. Oh, it's oh.
Wait. Where's the helicopter key? Oh, it's here.
And we escaped. Why? You're going to kill her.
Yeah, of course. I'm gonna kill her. Granny.
After that,
Take gasoline.
hey, instead of doing that, just fall from that this thing.
Yeah, so here we are filling gas and running out of this place. You need full, like really, like why full? Can't you just be happy with some?
I know that why you were so
Run. You have to go away. Wait, did I take helicopter man? Yeah. I see it. So next time we can do, we can crash.
I like the music.
Yeah. See, you saw the machine gun, right? Can't you just take it and kill this?
Machine gun.
Yeah, there's a machine gun at the right side. Or you can take you see the helicopter, right? That the wings. You can just kill her like that. Like, you're dead.
Bye.
Yeah, guys, this is all we can do by now. And if you
Like it, share, subscribe.
Yeah, if you like, share, subscribe, and don't
We'll make
forget
part
to like click the notification bar.
Bell.
Yeah, bell or bar, whatever. Yeah.
So we will make part 2 on which we will do both and hard and extra long.
No, like
and darkness.
no normal also.
Extreme also.
Bye.